Now user script load balancer is created, and user script NFS is also created. User script Bastion is also created. Let's create user script master node and worker node. Let's see how we can create it. Master and worker node user script will be same script. Let Kubernetes. Write nodes, not Kubernetes. It will be same. It will be quite same. Like just needing to pull the SH key. That's it. We'll be not creating anything else. That's it. That's all. Let's add some more tags. We'll add this tag wherein we'll be creating AWS load balancer. This tag it will see this tag and it will try to access Kubernetes cluster using this tag. This is the tag is for reference to create load balancer using AWS load balancer. It will communicate using this tag. This is the tag we need to add. We will add it in all the servers.